Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the best free alternative to Amplitude 5. So first thing first, Neural Amp Modeler, NAM. So for this, it's 100% free and open source. Use AI deep learning to capture real amps with 99.6% accuracy. So thousands of free amp profiles on Tone 3000 and Tone Hunt. Captures tube warmth, dynamic response, touch sensitivity, can profile your own gear, community driven with constantly growing library. Now the cons is that it requires separate IR loader for cabinet simulation. Learning curve to set up, needs to download profile separately, no built-in effects chain. Now the another one is like the Guitar Rig 7, Guitar Rig player. So free version of Guitar Rig Pro including jump amp with match cabinet. But the cons is limited to 1 amp in free version, many features locked behind paid upgrade. Also the Amplitude 5 CS, this is another one that you can actually check out. You have free version of Amplitude 5 itself, includes 10 stomp boxes, 5 amps, 6 cabinets, free mix, 6 rag effects, and also built-in custom R loader. So then you can have also the Blue Cats free amp. Now this one right here, it's completely free amp models based on the premium Distractor XM engines, good clean tones. Amp roots free. So this is another one that I want to share with you, is that a free high gain amp sim, quick to dial in modern rock metal tones, tight and easy to mix, developed with guitarist Ryan Fluff Bruce, good for rhythm guitar. So this is something that you can actually check out for yourself too. And thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.